Welcome to this video tutorial guide by Tech Matters. First off, open your web browser. Then in the address or search bar, type AnyDesk.com and press enter. Once the website loads, click the Download Now button. After the download has completed, open the downloaded file. When the AnyDesk setup window appears, select Install AnyDesk on this device. During the setup, please deselect the AnyDesk printer driver option. After clicking the Install button, Windows may show a User Account Control prompt asking for permission to allow the application to make changes to your device. For this tutorial, we will select Yes. Once the installation is complete, you can close your browser window and maximize the AnyDesk application again if needed. Locate the Close button on the AnyDesk tab area as shown in this video. Your setup is now complete. The number displayed in the center of the AnyDesk window is your AnyDesk address, which you can provide to your authorized service provider for remote assistance. Thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when we upload a new video tutorial.